Hey Dawal,
Hey Ryan.
how are you?
Good Ryan, how are you?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hey guys.
You remember him? If you don't know who this is Dawal, my friend. And we made a video about his bike. I think 2 or 3 videos so far with Dawal featuring. So today for a change, I'm not driving and Dawal is on the wheel of his, this is what, C300?
C300.
Yeah, this again, how old is it, Dawal?
It's a 2018 model.
Okay, so I'm going to ask Dawal some questions while he drives us. We are actually going to the BMW showroom. So I'm going to show you guys the new models and we'll do some fun stuff in the store. But before that, I'm going to quiz Dawal because he's looking to change his car. He wants to get something bigger and better. So what are you planning, Dawal?
So Ryan, I might go for Audi this time.
Okay.
And the only reason is because the drive is much better than Benz.
Right.
So couple of options like Q5, A4, maybe Q7 and A6 as well.
Okay.
So
the Nikhil fans are all considering Q7 also. I was also telling Dawal just now that Nikhil just bought a Q7, so we've seen Nikhil's video. But definitely Q7 is a bit big, right?
It's a humongous car, 7-seater, right?
Yeah.
But with the extended family coming to visit me, 7-seater may make sense for me as well.
Yeah. I was telling Dawal that A4 is kind of similar to the C300 which he has. So
right, but the ride is much more better than what I am riding right now.
Okay.
I mean, again, not trying to show off here because we are anyways into that level.
Yeah. No, I'm a Mercedes fan, so I disagree with him about the Audi because I had a C class Mercedes many years ago. It was a pre-owned one in 2009 which I had, but now the GLE is my favorite SUV. So why don't you buy a GLE here?
No, I just want to move away from
Mercedes
this brand at the moment.
Okay. Yeah. So Dawal is clear. He's going to go into Audi, I think, most probably.
Yes, most likely Audi.
Okay.
99% Audi for now, but in case if something miraculously comes up, then yeah, we might also look at that option.
Yeah. So we're heading there. It's about what's the time? 5 in the evening on Friday, and the BMW showroom shuts at what, 7?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay. So we need to get there fast. Hopefully not much traffic. We'll show you some of the bikes there. We're going to meet Ben. We're also going to buy the stabilizer, which is for the gas tank of the bike in winter. So both of us will put that stabilizer in the gas tank, which prevents the gas or the petrol from oxidizing in winter because of the cold temperature. So if the bike has oxidation in the tank, there's a lot of water vapor, etc. in the tank, which is bad for the engine. So we're going to buy stabilizer, put it in our bikes because it's getting pretty cold now. We are all in our jackets. So see you at the BMW store.
Oh, brand new. Okay.
Yep.
Can you fire it up?
This one is not live right now.
Oh, okay. Got it.
200 a month.
So this low suspension height stays constant across all the bikes, or it changes depending.
So Ben, what do we have here? Hi Ben, by the way.
All right. So this is the new 2021 1250 GS. Not too many differences between the, like what you have in this one.
Right.
But they did do a couple minor things. So right off the bat, you're going to see now they have LED blinkers.
LED blinkers, and this is the triple black here.
Yep. And the headlight design is a little bit different now. And watch when you start it up, it does a little up and down kind of thing. And so that's, your running light.
Nice. Oh, cool.
Low beam, high beam. And these are actually like how BMW has the lasers in the car?
Right.
Now with this here.
Nice.
and the blinkers, they stay on. So they act as like a little daytime running light. And then
Cool.
forward.
So a lot of updates actually.
A few.
Has the price changed or is it the same?
Off the top of my head, this one's around 23. So
23,000.
A little bit. But now, like I said, you do get new LEDs. You get the new headlight. You get a new mode on here called Eco. And then, in addition to this year,
The screen too looks a little different, the lights.
a little bit, because this is like the Eco mode. You can see.
right.
And now in the GS, you get heated seats.
Oh, heated seats too, wow. So the heated grips are great, but you're saying the seats too.
So this is the first year that you can get the heated grips.
Really
heated
cool,
seat.
man.
You know, the GS is already such a great bike.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you can't. There's not much room to improve, but you know the minor things here and there is really
Yeah.
what. Makes
I wanted to see the yellow, but then I guess the black on black is
Let's
nice
actually-
too.
Actually got one.
Oh, they have it there? Maybe if I go there.
Ours. So this is for passenger.
Oh, okay.
And so if you want to stand up on here, I'll show you really quick.
Try and sit on it, Dawal. Oh, you want to sit?
So on like Brian's bike, this is for the heated grip.
So guys, this is the new GS 2021.
Oh, so you're heating up the seat or heating up?
Well, this is for controlling both. So now there's 5 levels of intensity for the handlebars, the grips, and the heated seat.
So this is the workshop, guys, with all the bikes here, all the BMWs. And it's Friday late evening, so it's kind of done for the weekend here.
Yeah, I like the mirrors. I mean, these are standard ones?
When you get the triple black, this is what you get. You know,
Yeah.
normally,
The mirrors.
No, did you see the mirrors?
They changed the...
normally the mirrors are like this.
See the normal mirrors?
Right.
The one you have?
When you get the triple black,
Oh, this is a new mirror.
you get look at it from the other
Oh,
side
yeah.
too.
This, you see this?
Oh, this is cool, man. It looks very high tech.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool.
Loved it. I mean, of course, I
So a lot of good improvements actually. So now we are on the next store called Cycle Gear, and look at the number of helmets. The whole wall is full of helmets. Every brand, every model, every size. AGV, Bell. And then here you've got all the knee armor. If you want gloves, everything is here. All kinds of gloves and jackets. And then that side is more jackets, helmets. But this all the Sena. Are you buying something like this? Not yet. It's all the Sena units. Alright, we are done with BMW bike store and Cycle Gear. So Dawal, how was the experience?
Yeah, felt like maxing out my credit card, but of course you got to control, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, we got everything that we wanted to. So happy for today at least.
So we got 2 stabilizer bottles for the gas tank. I told you about that, and I picked up a BMW coffee mug. You know me, I have to shop wherever I go. So Dawal was about to buy a GS, I think, but he controlled himself. But maybe next year.
Yeah, maybe next year. Yeah, we'll
So
see.
next year he's going to buy a car and bike. So if anyone needs a loan, come to Dawal.
Yeah.
Just kidding. So yeah, it's fun. Happy to meet Dawal on Friday, and signing out now, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and enjoy your weekend.
See you guys. Enjoy the weekend. Subscribe.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.